place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride.
Good morning from Cabo San Lucas. Land's End is right there behind us, and our plans for the day are to get to Land's End to be on Lovers Beach. We're going to try and hire a boat from the cruise port. It should cost around $10 to $50. I'm not sure if that's per person, but that's a pretty good deal considering the excursions. You're limited with time and they cost a lot more than that. But other than that, we're just going to kind of explore Cabo. I'm going to fly my drone, and hopefully we have a great day. So Cabo is a tender port, and these are some very small tender boats. Pretty cool though. So we just hired a water taxi, and it's going to be $30 per person, and he's letting us stay at Lovers Beach for 2 hours. It's going to be a pretty good deal. All right, well, we're on our boat for the day. He said this was a glass bottom boat. I don't see the glass bottom, but that's all right because we definitely got a good deal. So this is Pelican Beach and Pelican Rock. It's a really cool location. That there is the Pacific window. Awesome that we can get so close to this. Wow. A little rough. Insane. And there is the beautiful El Arco. We made it onto Lovers Beach after a very sketchy jump off the boat onto the shoreline while the waves were breaking. That was a thrill. It was an experience. This was absolutely incredible so far. So now let's explore Lovers Beach and these beautiful rock formations. When I tell you guys that has to be some of the best drone footage I've ever gotten. I had such an incredible time flying my drone. We are still the only ones here on this beach. This was an epic day so far. I don't know how we're gonna top that, but now we have to try and find something else to do in Cabo. But my day's already been made. What an incredible day so far. We're back in the cruise port. We're walking around exploring this a little bit, and we might find a beach to go to. So I guess we're just gonna wander around for now though.
You guys ready to head out to the beach, guys, on our water check?
Well, this is definitely a very nice cruise port. Look at all these yachts lined up right here. Very well maintained, very clean. Feels safe. This is definitely nice. And here is the Cabo sign. We were gonna walk to Medano Beach, but it ended up being a very long walk. We're only halfway now, and we've been walking for like probably close to 30 minutes. Not really sure actually, I've lost track of time. But instead I'm just gonna put my drone up, and then because it is an early port day, right now we only have pretty much 3.5 hours left. We're just gonna go back to the ship. We did everything we wanted to do for the day, so we're definitely good. So we're taking advantage of coming back on the ship before everybody else does. We're gonna ride the slide behind me. That's the tube slide. So let's go have a good time on it. Woohoo! Oh, of course I'm going backwards. Oh God. Oh, it's hot in here. Woo! Woohoo! Oh, this is so much fun. And now we have the aft of the ship pretty much all to ourselves with a beautiful view. So we actually have time to hit the pool before it gets too busy.
A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
Well guys, it's that sad time. We are officially packing up. And this has been an excellent cruise. We have definitely had a great time. The Mexican Riviera is beautiful. However, we don't know when we're going to do this cruise again. It was a bucket list cruise, but we checked it off. I know we'll be back. It was a really good time. Maybe we'll do a smaller one and spend more time in LA, but who knows? That's the future. And at the time of this video, it is July 29th, 2022, and we only have 48 days till we board the Carnival Sunrise. So depending on when you're watching this, the Carnival Sunrise vlog series might be completely out and done. But I hope you guys do enjoy my videos. I can't thank you enough for coming along, and cruise on.